Hi there, my name is Marco Ventura with T1V here at ISE in Amsterdam, and we're showing our flagship ThinkHub solution, which is a core solution for visual collaboration. You can see that it's very intuitive and easy to use. You can move content onto the canvas. That can be any sort of content that you can be brought on. We can also bring on devices, can be brought on. Various sources can be moved onto the canvas. You can be interacted. We have a canvas which is 20 times the size of the physical display, so you have a really a lot of real estate to interact with the canvas. You can see that any of the content we can interact with very easily. We also have the ability to take all this content, save it in a session, so we can come back to it at any time. We can easily connect multiple devices. Those devices can be cast onto the screen, or they can be used to see the entire canvas and interact with the canvas. Again, this is ThinkHub, which is T1V's flagship collaboration solution. If you're at ISE, please come check us out. We're in Hall 14, and for more information, you can go to t1v.com.